Hey guys, and welcome back to on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new update for Crawlomatic, Newsomatic, Echo RSS and Aimogen. So an update will affect all these plugins, and this new update will enable the usage of Google search images. So the Google images search will be able to be used in the royalty-free featured image source options. So besides of all the other options, you will have now in these plugins also a checkbox enable Google image search usage. So if you check this checkbox, then the Google image search will be used and images will be imported there from there. However, with the Creative Commons filter enabled, so the images imported will be royalty free also. So the Creative Commons license means that you will be able to reuse these images without any issues for copyright issues and similar claims. Okay, so this being said, I want to tell you that if you check this checkbox and enable the replace royalty-free images, replace article image with royalty-free image checkbox in Crawlomatic, or use the similar checkbox in Newsomatic, Echo RSS and Aimogen, then you will be able to use this new source as an option. However, I also got some more updates as a treat, as a candy for you guys, because from now on in the default featured image list settings field, from here you will be able to use in all these plugins that I mentioned the random image title, or instead of image title, random image keyword options. So let's try this. So if I enter random image keyword, or even better, let's go to Aimogen. Let me go to plugins and enable Aimogen real fast. So in Aimogen, if we go and do this, because here we have a much better visualization of this. So let's write an AI created article on how to do speed runs in popular computer games. Okay, so this is just something that jumped out from my head, and let's enable also the I spoke about the featured image. Yeah, so I want to show you the featured image. So default featured image list, and let's add this. So 2 percentage marks random image, 2 percentage mark item title, and 2 percentage mark, we close this bracket, and one more 2 percentage mark, because this will be a shortcode which will be able also to be replaced by a keyword. So if you want here to add, for example, cars or anything else, you will be able to do so, and the plugin will import related images for cars or for the keyword that you enter. So in this case, this will be replaced by the title of this post. In our case, how to do speed runs in popular computer games. Okay, so now let's run this. Let's check our site, it's empty, and let's simply run importing. So now we will get the default featured image list. This means that the plugin will get an image from Google image search. So let's check, because the rule finished, and if we refresh this site, how do speedruns in popular computer games, and yeah, this image is not the best that we could say that it's a representative, but how to contact Elon Musk, some random question that I write now, and in this case I hope that image will be imported which is Elon Musk related. So let's hope so, and let's check this. So if we refresh, here it is, how to contact Elon Musk, and the post got written Elon Musk image added to it. So this is the power of the Google Images search, because it is more precise than the other, and it also includes images from the entire internet. And yeah, it is really a good option as an alternative. Okay, so this, and also I want to tell you that this shortcode structure can be also used in the generated post content settings field. So this shortcode will be also able to be used in the generated post content. So if you check random image URL and random image, the random image will display the image as HTML, and the random image URL here in generated post content, this will actually add only the URL of the shortcode. So let's write like this: random image item title, save settings. Oh, and I also want to scrape something, so let me search for a TechCrunch article really fast here. So let us start scraping a TechCrunch article, and for the image we can write something like this, and random image shortcode, and add inside the item title. This is what we want, yeah. So let's search for the item title shortcode and add it instead this keyword. And now we should be getting an image added to the end of this post, which will be generated here for us. And let's refresh the site. Here it is, and at the end, image, and this was the image which will imported. The Warriors, Draymond Green will talk new media tomorrow at Disrupt. So yeah, it's a bit interesting, the image choice, but yeah, it is still a valid image from Google Images search based for this query. Okay, so let me think of all the options that I updated in these plugins, and let me think if all was mentioned in this video. So first off will be the ability for you to add the royalty-free image source in the images, Google Images search option here. The second one will be the default featured image list. Yeah, so here you will be also able to use the random image shortcode. And the third one is this, that you will be able to use the random image shortcode and the new shortcode, the random image URL shortcode, in the generated post content settings field. Okay, so I guess that I covered everything that I wanted to say here right now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments of this section of this video. If you have ideas or comments, also you're welcome to let me know any idea you have in the comments of this video. Please note that if you add links in the comments, you might be flagged a spam comment, and I will not see the comment in this case. So keep the links out of comments, and I will see the comments afterwards. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and everything else. It is really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.